Bajaj, innovative farm-to-table engineering.
The process begins with the cans being filled with soft and juicy rasgullas soaked in sweet syrup. Caps are placed on the cans to prepare them for sealing. Next, the cans reach the automatic seaming station, a high-precision machine where each can is firmly sealed with perfection. This airtight sealing locks in the rich flavor and freshness of the rasgullas, preventing any leakage and ensuring long shelf life. It's a critical step in maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and quality. Once the cans are sealed, they move forward on the conveyor and are carefully collected for the next step. This ensures a smooth transition from sealing to cooling, with each can handled efficiently to maintain the production flow. After sealing, the cans are manually loaded onto the cooling conveyor to continue the process.